The 2014 Bowman comes out 2 weeks, so. Museum Baseball, guys. Fresh case. Museum Baseball. Museum Baseball. We'll pick out 4 like we usually do. Which 4 should we do? Right, middle, left. Which 4 should we do? Museum Baseball. One for the middle, anybody else? Museum Baseball. Should be a framed auto in there. Should also be a jumbo patch auto in there too. What's up, Footy? Got one for the middle, anybody else? We'll do the middle. Museum Baseball, guys. Good luck. Museum Baseball. Good luck, guys. Remaining 1, 2, 3, and 4. My box is a little better here. Mini box number 1. Mini box number 2. Thanks, dude. See you on Sunday. Mini box number 3. And mini box number 4. Museum Baseball, guys. Good luck. Got out of 199 Brewers Reinbraun. Got base Bryce Harper for the Nats. Got a base Rod Carew for the Angels. Got a base James Shields, Kansas City Royals. And a triple relic auto out of 50. Triple relic out of 50. You're going to go to the Angels, David Freese. Angels, David Freese, out of 50. Triple relic auto. David Freese for the Angels. Got a Nick Castellanes, Detroit Tigers. Got a Devin Masraka, the Reds. Yasiel Puig for the Dodgers. Got a Jordan Zimmerman, Washington Nationals. And a base auto out of $3.99 for the Cincinnati Reds. Base $3.99, Billy Hamilton for the Reds. Billy Hamilton for the Reds. $3.99, Billy Hamilton. Mini box 3, mini box 4. We've got our jumbo relic and our quad relic left. Dodgers, Adrian Gonzalez. Yonder Alonso, Padres. Got Jurickson Profar, the Rangers. Got a Jose Fernandez for the Marlins, Kansas. Jose Fernandez. And a jumbo relic out of 35. Jumbo pinstripe relic, 35. Phillies, Cole Hamels. Cole Hamels for the Phillies out of 35. Cole Hamels. So your quad relic. Got 99, Gio Gonzalez, the Nets. Got Yu Darvish, the Rangers. Babe Ruth, the Yanks. Got Avisel Garcia, Detroit Tigers. Got a 4-colored patch, a 4-colored patch, a jersey card, and a bat relic. Out of 99, Rangers, Elvis Andrus, Yu Darvish. Adrian Beltre, Ian Kinsler. So Elvis Andrews up top with 4-colored patch. Yu Darvish, a base jersey. Adrian Beltre, 4-colored patch. And Ian Kinsler, a bat card out of 99. Texas Rangers. Get some hit there for the Rangers. Box number 2. Box 2, Museum Baseball. Box 2, Museum Baseball. Uh-oh. Got a box topper. First time I've seen a box topper. We'll do our box topper. What do you think? Last? Should we do our box topper dead last? Okay, box number 1. Got one person wants to do it now, one person wants to do it last. Any other thoughts on the box topper? 2 for last. Are the box toppers a redemption for a oversized box topper auto? Would be my thoughts. Box number 2, guys. Good luck. That's not too bad. Got an auto to 5. Bob Gibson, Cardinals. Got Wansiger, Brewers. Don Mattingly, the Yanks. Randy Johnson, Seattle Mariners. And an auto, this one numbered 4 of 5. This is a pretty good one. 4 of 5. 4 of 5. Big Poppy. David Ortiz for the Red Sox, numbered 4 of 5. David Ortiz, Boston Red Sox, numbered 4 of 5. We'll zoom in on that one. 4 of 5. David Ortiz. Stupid camera don't want to zoom in at all tonight. David Ortiz, 4 of 5. David Ortiz, 4 of 5 for the Red Sox. Got out of 199, Ozzie Smith. Got Mike Trout, Angels. Johnny Bench, the Reds. Got Todd Frazier, the Reds. And a single player signature swatches triple relic auto. Back-to-back boxes, back-to-back Billy Hamilton autos. Back-to-back boxes, back-to-back Billy Hamilton autos. Billy Hamilton for the Reds. Got a Pirates, Sterling Marte. Wade Miley, Diamondbacks. David Freese, Angels. Got a canvas of Tom Seaver. Tom Seaver canvas for the Mets. And a out of a 35, all stained up jersey out of 35. Stained up jersey, 35. David Ortiz, look at that. David Ortiz. So you got a David Ortiz auto and a David Ortiz jumbo jersey in the same box. Ortiz. So you're a multi-relic card. Roger Clemens, Red Sox. Got Gio Gonzalez, the Nats. Got Julio Teheran, the Braves. David Ortiz again, the Red Sox. Andrew Quad Relic is a nice 3-colored patch. And 3 single-colored jerseys out of 75. Pirates, Starling Marte. Nice patch in that window. Starling Marte for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Starling Marte. Pirates. Okay, box number 3. We'll do our box topper one last. Box number 3. Box 3. Box 3. probably right. He probably will. That's one bad thing about redemption. Sometimes they do take forever. Box number 3. Museum Baseball. Box 3. Got Todd Frazier, the Reds. Got Paul Goldschmidt, Diamondbacks. Wow. San Jose destroying the Kings. Troy Tulowitzki, the Rocks. Felix DeBront, the Red Sox. Andrew Quad Relic out of 99. Quad Relic out of 99. 2-colored patch, 2 base jerseys, and then a stitch in one of it. Felix Hernandez, Seattle Mariners out of 99. Seattle Mariners. Felix Hernandez out of 99. Felix Hernandez out of 99. Got St. Louis Cardinals, Lou Brock. D.D. Gregors, Diamondbacks. Mark McGuire, Cardinals. Got a Yogi Berra. Yogi Berra, I believe. Yogi Berra for the Yanks. And a jumbo jersey out of 50. Jumbo jersey out of 50 for the Diamondbacks. Jumbo jersey out of 50. Patrick Corbin. Diamondbacks. Patrick Corbin for the Diamondbacks. So this one will be your relic auto. Got a 199 Felix DeBront, Red Sox. Ivan Rodriguez, the Rangers. Mike Schmidt, Phillies. Got Josh Hamilton, the Angels. And a dual relic out of 25. Dual relic auto out of 25 for the Braves. Tom Glavine, that's not a bad one at all. Tommy Glavine. We could. I don't think we've got a lot of people in here that probably would, though, but we could. Tom Glavine for the Braves out of 25. Tom Glavine. Last pack, box number 3. Last pack, box 3. Got Greg Maddux, the Braves. Got Jimmy Rice, the Red Sox. Got Alex Cobb, the Rays. Got Prince Fielder, Texas Rangers. And out of 199, a base auto. 199. Got Seattle Mariners of Iwakuma. Iwakuma, 199. Seattle Mariners, Iwakuma, 199. So our box topper back in the back. Box number 4. Box number 4. Then we'll get to our box topper. Box number 4. Box 4. San Jose putting 2 goals in the final minute to go up 3-0. Last box, Museum of Baseball, and it looks like we'll probably call it a night. And like I said, tomorrow night we got a full case of treasures. Full case NT football for tomorrow night. Full case NT football tomorrow night. Got a Rockies, Troy Tulowitzki. Got a Dominic Brown, the Phillies. Got Albert Bell, the Indians. Andrew Lambeau, the Pirates. And a quad relic. Any guesses who it is out of 99? 3 bats and a jersey. 3 bats and a jersey. Any guesses who our quad relic is tonight? Any guesses? I'll sit here for a second. See if anyone gets it. Any guesses? Quad relic out of 99. Look at that. Yeah, there you go. David Ortiz. Got a jumbo jersey. You've got an auto. Now you got a quad relic. David Ortiz for the Red Sox. David Ortiz for the Red Sox. Got a 199 Nolan Ryan, the Mets. Got Iwakuma, Mariners. Tom Glavine, the Braves. Matt Adams, Cardinals. And a dual jerseys out of 99. Dual jerseys, 99. Another Braves pitcher, Chris Medlin. Chris Medlin for the Braves. Dual jersey auto out of 99. Chris Medlin. So back-to-back dual jersey autos for the Braves as well. Orioles, Rafael Palmeiro. Got Alan Craig, Cardinals. Got Clayton Kershaw, the Dodgers. Steve Carlton, the Phillies. Got a base auto out of 399. Base auto, 399. Cincinnati Reds, Devin Mesoraca. Cincinnati Reds, 399. Last pack. No, see what's in our box topper. Got a Mets, Travis DeYarn, rookie for the Mets. Billy Hamilton, rookie for the Reds. Got Chris Medlin, base for the Braves. Andrew McCutcheons, Pittsburgh Pirates. And jumbo jersey for the Seattle Mariners. A momentous material of Kyle Seager, Seattle Mariners. Kyle Seager, Seattle Mariners. Your box topper is a redemption. Yay, box topper is a redemption. That's not bad. Framed, oversized canvas collection box loader. Framed, oversized. Well, let's see here. Do I have anything that we could, we'll go this way. We'll use a Travis DeYarn one. We'll go this way of it. Framed of Baltimore Orioles, Cal Ripken Jr. Good hit there for the Orioles. Framed, oversized canvas collection box loader. Cal Ripken Jr. Good way to finish some museum baseball tonight, guys. Cal Ripken, framed, oversized canvas collection box loader. Ripken for the Orioles. Good way to finish some museum baseball tonight, guys. Good hit for the Orioles. So with that, we'll get these uploaded onto YouTube. We'll call it a night. We'll see you guys tomorrow night for some NT football.